And Jim, we talked earlier about how the defense, there was an issue of Dr. Fowler, one of their defense experts, who's going to testify. The jury's going to have to sit there and determine the cause of death of George Floyd. They're going to listen to the state's experts. They're going to listen to the defenses. How do they weigh that? How do they determine exactly who's more credible and really what caused the death of George Floyd? It's the question of, was Derek Chauvin the cause? Was he a contributing cause? Was he no cause? And I'm curious how a jury weighs on those different expert opinions.
Well, the key phrase here is substantial factor. And I don't know that substantial factor, when I see the jury instructions, it's not defined, but it was Derek Chauvin's placement of the knee on George Floyd's neck a substantial factor in causing him death. And the jury's going to have to weigh the expert witnesses on both sides in terms of that causation question. And of course, there were some drugs in his system. And I think the simple answer from the prosecution side is look, does anybody think that if George Floyd had just been sitting in his car and after this and hadn't had that interaction with the police, that he was going to keel over and drop over dead? No. So if that's the case, then of course the officers played a substantial factor in his death. I want to make one prediction though. I think juror number 7, the one we just heard from, I think she's going to be the 4-person. I know we've got 4 jurors to go, but based on her responses last week, that would be my bet for. You asked me if I was a betting man. I'll bet on her.
Okay. All right. Well, we still have some more jurors that need to be selected, and we'll see how that